Ginagawa ng Police Regional Office 7 ng Medical at Dental Services bilang paggunita sa 29th Police Community Relations Month celebration sa Camp Sereo Osmeña Senior, Cebu City noong 11 ng Hulyo taong kasalukuyan. Ang nasabing aktibidad ay pinangunahan ng National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM Region 7, katuwang ang Police Regional Office 7 sa pamumuno ni Police Brigadier General Anthony Abiliada Aberin, Regional Director. Ito ay bilang bahagi ng 29th PCR Month na may temang Ligtas Ka sa Bagong Pilipinas. Ang Regional Medical and Dental Unit 7 sa pamumuno ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Marilyn P. Ignacio, Officer in Charge, ay naghandog ng medical at dental services na kung saan ang mga benepisyaryo ay ang mismong mga kapulisan at kanilang pamilya. Masiglang tinangkilik ng mga kapulisan ng Central Visayas at ng kanilang mga pamilya ang nasabing programa na kung saan nakilahok rin ang Regional Police Community Affairs and Development Unit 7 sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Yonsho B. Baligbot Jr. Chief.
Ligtas na umaga sa ating lahat. I am Attorney Licelia Medo from the National Police Commission, the currently Chief of the Regional Legal Unit of the region. We are here today together with my colleagues from the National Police Commission Region 7 and all our PNP and APOLCOM scholars as well as dependents in our celebration of 29th Police Community Relations Month. So for this morning, we have availed of the services that is spearheaded by our Police Regional Office 7 and RMDU 7, which is the Medical and Dental Services. In behalf of the National Police Commission Region 7, we extend our gratitude to our partner, the Philippine National Police, the Police Regional Office 7 and RMDU for letting us one of the beneficiaries in today's activity. This is a collaborative effort between our police, our community to strengthen our relationship for the purposes of promoting peace and public safety in our community.
Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Police Lieutenant Colonel Marilyn P. Ignacio, bagong talagang OIC sa Regional Medical Dental Unit 7. Kami po ay mapalad na makasama sa pagdiriwang po ng 29th year PCR Month. Kasama ang ating NAPOLCOM at ang PNP. Sa amin po sa RMDU 7, meron po kaming medical at saka dental na services na pinoprovide po sa ating mga kapulisan at sa kanila pong mga dependents. Sa medical po, meron po tayong pneumococcal vaccine, STI, HIV lecture at saka pre-HIV screening. Meron din po tayong nutrition lectures. Sa dental naman po, meron po tayong fluoride treatment, cleaning at saka bunot po.
Ang naturang gawain ay may temang Pamilya ng Pulis, Kalusugay Matatag at Ligtas tungo sa Bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa Police Regional Office 7, ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Grace Coligado, alagad ng batas tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.
Maraming salamat, Patrolwoman Coligado.